So in this video today, it's part of a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life Home Series. This is going to run straight through till August, and it's going to be wonderful. So who's hosting? Designed with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We also have some beautiful co-hosts, which is Home by Design with Marilyn and Joyful Decor by Denise and you. So make sure and join us. Have an amazing day, and God bless you guys. Amen. Now in this collaboration, we do some outdoor home decor, decorating a patio, a porch, a backyard, entertaining, dining, etc. So please join us if you enjoy the outdoor life.